새벽 3시인데 지금 이제 지프를 타고 마운트 브로모로 올라가고 있습니다. 지금은 새벽 3시 반이고 5시에 해가 일출이 뜬다고 해서 일출 포인트 마운트 브로모 일출 하는 데서 일단 커피 한 잔을 이렇게 하고 있습니다. 사람들이랑 저희 같이 하는 여행객의 투어 팀메이트들이고요. 저희 가이드입니다. Adit, can you say hi?
Hi.
He's our guide. 여기는 지금 이제 일출을 보려고 지금 다들 지금 새벽에 이렇게 와서 이렇게 대기를 타면서 이렇게 많은 집들이 있습니다. 와, 진짜 많죠. 그래서 여기서 뭐 화장실도 가고 커피도 마시고 그러는 곳입니다. 인도네시아의 치킨 어니언 맛이라고 합니다. 이거 맛있는데요? 지금은 새벽 한 5시인데 지금 다 같이 일출을 보려고 브로모 산의 일출 스팟에 올라가고 있습니다.
Okay. Promise to make a smoke.
Make a smoke?
Make a smoke. Promise to make a smoke.
So it's a lively volcano.
Yeah.
So that's the east side. We're
this
watching.
one?
We're waiting for the
Cover my
sunrise.
clothes. Yeah.
지금 보시면은 those are the jeeps coming at the desert side. Wow. 와, 이렇게 활화산을 보는 건 처음인 것 같습니다. So this is an active volcano. This is my first time looking on an active volcano, and that's gonna be where the sunrise gonna be. 지금 되게 비성수기인데도 사람이 엄청 많이 나와 있습니다. 새벽부터 다들 와가지고 이렇게 일출을 보려고 나와 있습니다. 브로모 산입니다. This is Mount Bromo, and we're waiting for the sunrise. You can see the active volcano there, and so there's a lot of people right now at the top of the mountain since from early morning. Right now it's 5:15. Mount Bromo, Indonesia's majestic volcano. Mount Bromo is one of the most famous volcanoes in Indonesia, located in East Java. It stands at 2,329 meters above sea level. Not the tallest, but definitely one of the most breathtaking. What makes Mount Bromo special is its dramatic landscape. It sits inside a massive volcanic caldera, which is about 10 kilometers in diameter, surrounded by a vast sea of sand known as Laut Pasir in Indonesian. The whole place looks surreal, almost like something out of a sci-fi movie. One of the best experiences here is watching the sunrise from Mt.PEANJAKAN that stands at 2,770 meters. A famous viewpoint where you can see Mount Bromo, the surrounding volcanoes, and a sea of clouds below. But unfortunately, I couldn't see the sunrise as I visited during the rainy season on January 21st. If the sun rises, the landscape transforms into an incredible mix of golden light and mist, something you really have to see for yourself. I flew my FPV drone over the sea of sand, capturing the stunning landscape around Mount Bromo. DJI FPV has a maximum range of about 2 kilometers for a round trip, which means I can reach Mount Bromo. But for this flight, I only went about 1 kilometer before deciding to turn back. The reason? Ascending burns a lot of battery. And since I was planning to hike up Mount Bromo anyway, I didn't want to take any risks. Instead, I focused on filming the incredible views from Mt.PEANJAKAN, where the crowds gathered to watch the famous Bromo sunrise. As you can see, In this FPV footage, even though it's not the peak season, there are still so many travelers gathered here to watch the sunrise. From the sky, you can see countless tourist jeeps lined up along the road waiting for their passengers. If you're planning to visit, I highly recommend starting early so you can park closer to the summit. This will save you time and energy for the hike up to the Mt.Bromo. Here I'll show you a safe landing spot for your FPV drone. Most tourists gather at the front of the summit to watch the sunrise and admire Mt.Bromo. However, toward the back, there are open and safe areas where you can land without any obstacles. I recommend landing behind the poles for a smooth and secure touchdown, which is right here. What Indonesia makes FPV drone pilots really fun is that you don't need any drone approvals to fly. You don't need any flight approvals. So it is very free to fly your drones to take these majestic volcano video footages, which was Mt.Bromo, which was really breathtaking. I really strongly recommend you to bring your drones here and fly your drones in Indonesia. Thank you for watching, and it was YOONGOON. 6:20 and now we are going down to the craters. 지금 Mt.Bromo에서 크레이터로 가고 있습니다. 지금 we're all walking to the volcanoes. I'm walking.
Luhur. Pura is a temple in Hindu. So
You say Pural?
Pura.
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 Ah, okay.
Pura.
Pura.
Pura
in-
is a temple. Like for Hindu pray.
Mhm.
So
Nothing happened.
nothing
No.
happened.
Roof was okay.
Yeah.
Okay, that's amazing.
In the past, the people there is a tribe in here. We said Tengger tribe. People here they throw the gold inside the crater. The gold, yeah, the gold. But in the past, but never know.
Oh.
They just replace, just put
Japanese word.
this tribe Tengger word. It's mean Brahma.
Brahma.
They adopted
Okay.
by Hindu god Brahma.
That mountain erupted in 2010. That mountain there.
Yeah.
That
The worst eruption in 2010, but the last eruption in 2016.
2016. That mountain.
Yes,
You have to be careful.
Bromo.
저기다가 how do they carve the faces right there? You can fall down. 지금 마운트 브로모에서 한번 비행을 해보려고 하고 있습니다. Okay, I'm standing right here. And then now I'm gonna fly. See that mountain over the hills right there. Okay, here we go. Let's go to the mountains. Okay, let's fly over the mountains. Let's see what's above there. Okay, that's the mountain right here. I'm gonna go as fast as I can. Okay, let's go to the top of the mountain. Let's see what's there. So, that's the top of the mountain, which is 200 almost 300 meters. Wow. So that's how it looks like at the top of the mountain. Oh, that's where I was. And that's the crater. Let's try to go to the crater. I see a lot of clouds. It's an awesome scenic view. That's super cool. I'm getting goosebumps right now. Okay, that's the crater. Let's try to approach the crater. Okay. Okay, let's go up. A little bit faster. Okay, so that's the crater. Wow! Amazing. Can't see a thing. I gotta get out. Wow. Woo! That's what a smoke. Wow, I can't see a thing. So, wow, that's freaking out. Woo! Look at that smoke. 2 minutes. I'm gonna go down. Okay. Let's go inside the clouds. I can't see a thing, but I can see the H. Here I am. Wow, that is a very nice scenic view. 11 minutes. I'll approach the edge, the boundary of the craters. Oh my god, it's a super wonderful place to fly. Approaching to the edge. There's people walking here. Oh yes, people are standing here. Okay, coming down very fast. So I'm there. Oh my god, I gotta walk a lot. What a flight. And I was right there. Amazing shot, isn't it? That was super nice shot. Ah, sorry. Okay, I will do my second flight.
Yeah, I'm gonna lunch there.
Okay, here we go for the second move. Wow, that's awesome. Okay, here we go. My second flight at Bromo Mountain, 35 degrees. Wow, that's the edge. Look how it looks like inside a crater. That's how it looks like. When we go inside a crater, it's concrete. It's deeper than maybe you think. It's hard to see really outside because of the snow. I hope I can see something. Oh, okay. but actually it's from active volcano. When we look down, that's how it looks like. Like this. You can dive into the crater like that. Wow. Whoa. I'm gonna come out. Oh, it's right there. Outside 58%. Now I think it's going to reach the little valley again. I'll go up to this one. It says immediately come back, but 2 minutes at the top of the mountain. I'm going to circle around. Follow the stairs. 40% of batteries following the rims. People are climbing up right here. Whoa! What a crater! %. I gotta come back. I'm gonna come out. 30% is enough. What a scene. This is Bromo Mountain. Cool, isn't it? Let's fly over that ridge a little bit. Okay, coming back safely thanks to DJI. There we are.